What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the blue arrow to a vehicle icon on the Google Maps mobile app. This customization allows you to have a more personalized navigation experience while you're on the road. First, open the Google Maps app on your device and start the navigation by entering your destination. Once you're in navigation mode, you will see the default blue arrow that represents your current location. Tap on that blue arrow, or if you've changed it before, tap on the current vehicle icon. After tapping the icon, you'll be presented with multiple vehicle icon options. Swipe left or right to browse through the available icons until you find the one that fits your style. If you want to further customize your icon, tap on one of the color options to change the vehicle's color. Once you're happy with your selection, tap on the Done button to save your changes. Your new vehicle icon will now appear whenever you use Google Maps for navigation. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.